How to use Exxon Mobil Rewards card at the pump. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can use Exxon Mobil Rewards at the pump. Now, first of all, you want to download and install the Exxon Mobil Rewards app. For that, open up Play Store or App Store, then search Exxon Mobil Rewards. Here, tap on the install option. Now launch open the app. When you arrive at the station, tap pay at the pump, enter your pump number and select your payment method, then tap activate pump to authorize the transaction. You'll have the option to redeem points for discounts. Before fueling, once authorized, go to the pump, choose your fuel grade and begin fueling as usual. Your points will be automatically applied and your balance will update after the transaction. If you're using the Physical Rewards Plus card, swipe it at the pump or enter your Alt ID phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete payment and optionally redeem points for saving. Then swipe your credit or debit card, select your fuel grade and fuel it. If no discount appears at the pump, it may be issued as a statement credit depending on your payment method. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.